sharpening the blunt blade. Sadly, it's time to go out with the old and in with the new. I say sadly because this old barbecue is 20 years old, and it's kind of like getting rid of a car that you've well worn in and gotten used to. The barbecue is no longer usable, and I'm feeling really blessed, super blessed, because I got this new barbecue as a Christmas present in time for Christmas. Now I've learnt with new cars, the technology changes every 10 years. So I've not had to buy a barbecue in 20 years. So this is kind of like learning to drive a brand new car. It's learning to cook on a whole new barbecue. This thing can be hooked up to the phone. It just has so much. It's unbelievable. Wok placements, pizza stoves, roasting ability, lights, whistles, indoor internal temperature readings, as well as, meat thermometer, if that's what it's called. So what does one cook on something so grand? The barbecue looks so beautiful, I don't even want to use it. I think the first thing one should experiment with, I guess, is something easy. Let's work on burgers. Burgers it is. Good morning, everybody.